And as you can see, I don't even talk to them much on the line because I don't want to think, oh, Kalonzo amekuja tutapiga wipe. Hapana. This is a moment. This is their moment. And I hope that those people who try to influence others along the road, in this place I've always taught them, it is a very important matter. The campaign period is over, come and cast your vote because you are determining your future. Mimi naona hii mambo ya kupiga kura sita tukielekea mbele, kura hizi sita, if the BBI process had actually succeeded, personally I would have wanted us to say for presidential tunafanya kando na hizi zingine zinaweza kufanywa kando, because mwananchi analazimishwa kuchukua wakati mwingi sana. But that's just a recommendation. This is why, you can never have a static situation. People must think through, learn from mistakes, because even the more critical matter is if one has to consider an election petition. You do not have the time. And even the judges of the Supreme Court have always agreed that there's no time to do a proper legal presentation by whoever is your client who wants to challenge the outcome of a presidential election. There's no time. So Kenyans, going forward, we need to look at these things, update our thinkings, look at the gaps, because there are gaps in this process, those gaps, and then be able to be sensible.